Hey, what's up YouTube? Mr. App for That coming at you with another hot video. In this video, I'm going to show you a neat new app. It's really sensational. It's called the FaceApp, and a lot of people on social media are going crazy about it right now. It's called the FaceApp. So let me show you what this is. All right, so you go into it, you upload your picture. All right, you upload your picture, or you can take one, I think, but you upload a picture of yourself. And then you can click on these different options down here. All right, so now they have a few more options within the app, but I'm not even going to get into those right now. Right now, this is the craze that people are going crazy over, is aging themselves. And it goes forward and backwards too. So you can do the young. So let's see how this young looks right here. So you can age yourself as a young person. All right, so see how that looks. All right, so it takes away a lot of the wrinkles and stuff. Let's go back to the original. All right, so there's the original, and let's go back to young. So maybe the young might take off 10 years, I'm not sure. All right, so maybe you guys can guess my age. Whoever guesses my age properly might have a I might do a little treat for you if you can guess my true age, which is right here. All right, so now we're gonna go into the old, and let's see what happens with that. Whoa! Oh my goodness! Whoo! I think this thing ages you by 60 years. I mean, I would be surprised I even have hair by then. Well, I can always get it restored. But wow, 60 years. So, oh my goodness. You know, this is crazy, guys. Crazy. So, yeah, this app, this is what people are going crazy about. And now this doesn't look too old. This looks like a young face now. So anyway, guys, thanks for watching this video. Let me know if you've used this app before. How do you like it? What would you change about it? And everything like that. Stay tuned for more videos coming soon, guys. And I also do giveaways as well. Coming up on 10K, so doing a giveaway at 10K, guys. So be sure to subscribe, and also guess my age. If you can guess my age properly, then I got a little gift, a little treat for you. So if you can guess this age properly, but you can't know me already. All right. So thanks, guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video. And peace out, guys.